Currently, there are many discussions on healthy diets and many different opinions on what to eat, when to eat, and how much to eat. Some recommendations seem suspicious, and so we start doubting their truth. We have decided to research and dispel popular myths about healthy eating. Biggest nutrition and food myths. Myth: don't eat after 6 p.m. Truth: you shouldn't have a large meal for 3 or 4 hours before going to sleep. Myth: brown bread is healthier than white bread. Truth: the calorie content of both brown bread and white bread is almost equal. Myth: it's healthy to drink limitless amounts of fresh juices. Truth: the daily intake should be no more than 3 glasses. Myth: sushi is a healthy meal. Truth: all types of sushi and soy sauce contain a lot of calories. Myth: chocolate is bad for your body. Truth: a piece of dark chocolate can be beneficial. Myth: if you eat less, you will lose weight. Truth: only a person who eats 5 or 6 times a day will lose weight. Myth: you should drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. Truth: you should drink as much water as your body wants. Myth: eating fat is forbidden. Truth: only excessive eating of fatty foods is bad for you. Myth: olive oil is low in calories. Truth: it has as many calories as any other oils have, but it is healthier. Myth: eating carbs is unhealthy. Truth: only simple carbs are bad for you. Complex carbs are healthy. Myth: brown sugar is healthier than white sugar. Truth: brown sugar is the same as white sugar in that it contains the same amount of calories. Myth: fruit is the best dessert. Truth: it's better to eat fruit as a snack. Myth: you can eat whatever you want for breakfast. Truth: the perfect breakfast equals protein plus fat plus carbs plus dietary fiber. Myth: you burn calories only by exercising. Truth: your body burns calories by carrying out its many functions. Myth: fruit is as healthy as vegetables. Truth: vegetables are healthier than fruit. 1 day equals 4 portions of vegetables plus 1 portion of fruit.